Patrick at Pals. Well, we got the 72 Corvette up in the air because Jim is going to put in the headlight motors. And while Jim is doing that, Jack is working on the carburetor. And what we're doing here is we're rebuilding the carburetor. When the car came in, you saw the video, it was running really poorly. And part of the reason for that is that the carburetor was way out of adjustment and had some worn out parts in it. And that's what Jack is in the middle of doing now. You can see he's scrubbing everything very thoroughly with chemicals and cleaning everything up. All of these parts have to go back into that carburetor at specific points. Everything has to be clean when it goes together. All the passageways have to work properly. And that's what Jack is doing right now. If you've got a carburetor and need to have it rebuilt, if it's not running well, bring it to Pals. See you soon.